Yep.
Hi, my name is Valerie, and we're gonna look and see how many potatoes we grew in our potato growing experiment, which basically we took a potato, cut it in 3 pieces, and put it in this box of dirt, and we'll see.
Let's see what we got.
So far, nothing. I see nothing. I see nothing. Nothing. See the potato plants. Nothing here.
Uh-oh.
Nothing here.
Uh-oh.
Nothing here. Okay, well, gotta dig in further to see. Nothing. I got nothing.
There's not a single potato in that?
There's a worm.
Okay. It's a good one.
We got a worm.
It's a big one too. It's like a rat snake. All right.
And that's the end of our potato growing experiment. Thanks for watching.